Welcome to today's podcast. My name is Trenton Chandler and I will be your host. Today we're going to be looking into a health program and how it is serving teens and parents in Michigan. Teen suicide is a problem that is impacting people all over the world. We see this to be a growing issue for teens of Michigan. Michigan's current rate of teen suicide is higher than the national average of 15.7 deaths per 100,000 teens. Suicide is currently the second leading cause of deaths in people aged 10 to 24 in Michigan. So if you're not from Michigan, stay tuned. There will be crucial information for all listeners, and it might just save somebody's life. UpLift is a health promotion program currently working hard to save teens and educate their parents. UpLift is an organization of action that is focused on developing a new generation of resilient, optimistic, and capable individuals who respond to the challenges of life in an emotionally healthy way. The program is offering many services such as teen therapy, information sources, education projects, and social media connections. So that brings us to our first question. What should you do if you have a teen that is struggling with suicidal thoughts, or you are a teen who is struggling with thoughts of suicide? The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is the best source to first come in contact with in emergent situations. They are a national network consisting of local crisis center that provides emotional support to people who are in suicide crisis. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and there's no need to worry. Their services are free. They also can provide you with necessary services that will put you on a path with the best practices for combating suicide. For your listeners who are not in Detroit, they have resources specifically for where you live. If you know someone who is struggling with suicide, or you are struggling with suicidal thoughts yourself, please reach out to them. You can get in contact with them at 1-800-273-8255. Again, that's 1-800-273-8255. UpLift also holds weekly counseling services on Wednesday at 7 p.m. at your local high school in Michigan. These services are free of charge and provide an opportunity to work with a mental health professional and other teens who are struggling. They offer one-on-one services as well if necessary. Check it out if you feel that this could help you or a loved one. So that leads us to our next question. How are parents of these teens an important part of UpLift's health program? Well, there are a majority of parents who feel confident that could recognize signs of depression and suicide in their children. The rest of these parents feel that there are too many barriers. 40% of parents cannot differentiate between normal mood swings and signs of depression. That is nearly half of the parents who would not be able to realize that their children are struggling. UpLift provides educational services that can help provide parents with the skills and knowledge to help their children. Parents, learning the signs of depression and suicide are crucial to protecting your children. Some of these signs can be trouble thinking or concentrating, fighting or arguing over little things, showing higher emotions of sadness, extreme sensitivity to rejection or failure, low self-esteem, or a loss of interest in things that they normally love to do. If you recognize these signs in your children, talk to them, and most importantly, listen to what they have to say. It may just save their life. So if you know of anyone who is in need of help, or if you have any questions about UpLift and its organization, you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. They have many resources there. Their social media pages also allow you to work with other parents and teens who may be experiencing the same struggles you are. Another way you can reach out is by their email at uplift@gmail.com or phone at 555-876-3213. Again, uplift@gmail.com or 555-876-3213. Together, let's be unified against teen suicide and protect the ones we love. Remember, you aren't alone. That is going to wrap up our podcast for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.